Welcome to our channel. Today we bring you the top 12 e-bikes of 2022 and 2023 that are next level. Before we continue, please press the subscribe button and the bell notification icon to receive regular updates whenever we upload a video. 12. 2023 Rotwild R.X735. The Dieburgers depend on a powerful Shimano EP8 motor and a hefty 720 watt-hour battery for the Rotwild RX735. It should be a true all-arounder thanks to its nimble and direct handling and 150 millimeters of front and 144 millimeters of rear spring travel. Rotwild has, up to now, depending on the RX375, a bike with a compact 375 watt-hour battery and a robust Shimano EP8 motor for usage on technical trails. However, it now introduces the older sibling. The RX735 includes a big 720 watt-hour battery and the same powerful motor. This puts the RX735 between the RX375 and the RX750, which has a Bros motor and a 750 watt-hour battery. The RX375 has already provided us with a lot of pleasure during the test by combining a light battery with a strong engine. With the RX735, Rotwild is back in high gear. Similar to the RX375, the RX735 is a member of Rotwild's aggressive series and is targeted at a sporty and agile market. 11. 2023 Bianchi E-Vertic FX Type Pro. The latest flagship of the E-Vertic product line, which includes city vehicles, touring bikes, and downhill-focused e-mountain bikes, is the E-Vertic FX Type Pro. The E-Vertic FX Type E MTB is an aluminum variant with 140mm spring travel. The X-Type Hardtail E MTB and the E-Vertic FX Type Pro Total Carbon with 160mm spring travel will also be accessible next year. Along with the T-Type, Bianchi will also sell an e-trekking bike. The latest urban bike in the Bianchi lineup will be the C-Type. The bikes feature a remarkable design language with a substantial rear swing arm where the chain passes under, in addition to the green-blue color elements in the paintwork that are evocative of the legendary Bianchi Celeste green. 10. State Bicycle Co. 6061 e-bike Commuter. The 6061 single-speed e-bike Commuter is here. It features the same geometry as State's initial city bikes and is available in understated matte black. The 6061 e-bike is one of the most affordable electric commuters on the market right now, with a basic price of $1,500 MSRP. Additionally, the e-electric bike's components and motor are utterly covert. Attempt to find the engine, or the battery for that matter. Does this bike appear to be any more technologically advanced than a traditional commuter cycle? Because State employees could have duped me. 9. 2023 Trek Fuel EXe 9.9 XX1 AXS. The Trek Fuel EXe is simply an electric version of the Fuel EX trail bike, as opposed to the Rail, which is based on the Slash Enduro bike. The Fuel EXe has a standard rear shock as opposed to the Trek exclusive through shaft damper found on the standard Fuel EX, Rail, and Slash. A brand new, very small engine created in partnership with the Bavarian business TQ powers the Trek Fuel EXe. The 120 Nm monster motor featured in the high bike Fly-On was initially attributed to TQ. However, those cunning Germans used the same harmonic ping ring HPR mechanism and drastically reduced it to make what they claim is the lightest and smallest eMTB motor on the market. 8. Momentum PakYak E+. The Momentum PakYak E+ includes an integrated Supernova E2 Mini Pro AXA Blue Line Steady 550 lumen, 160 lux, 10-watt floodlight for use in the dark behind the front cargo basket to prevent obstruction. Even at high speeds, the light's broad, incredibly smooth beam allowed the rider to see and avoid obstacles with plenty of time. In addition, the E6 rear red light was brilliant and simple to see, and it was situated correctly to remain visible. Unsurprisingly, the bike weighs a lot, about 79 pounds. When moving the bike a few inches to the side for better parking locations, or to push the bike forward off the broad two-pronged kickstand, especially when it is loaded, the handle beneath the back of the seat is a tremendous aid. 7. Aventon Pace 350 Step-Thru. The Pace 350 offers a comfortable ride that is both steady and easygoing. It has predictable, responsive handling, road smoothing 27.5-inch wheels, and is stable and smooth. The 2.2-inch wide tires on this bike dampen the ride and reduce some vibration. The 27.5-inch wheels on this bike roll quickly and make road cracks disappear. Although it is still a stiff bike, we were taken aback by how forgiving it felt to cross uneven terrain. Larger bumps and potholes are still noticeable. The frame feels quite solid and offers stability and quick handling. In terms of the pace, the bike handles precisely and comfortably while making various turn shapes and sizes. 6. Gazelle Ultimate C380 HMB. The C380 resembles a beefed-up version of the Step-Thru bike you would have ridden about the suburbs in the 1950s, but with the best technology available in 2021. The integrated 3.4 AH battery is housed in an oversized aluminum down tube, yet the single frontal shock and larger road tires keep everything in balance. I appreciate the rear luggage holder's seamless integration into the functional design. Once you're seated, you'll see the available cockpit. There are no weird app-based gadgets or color displays. Instead, you'll discover the handlebar shifter for the Inviolo trekking hub system, an excellent mounted headlight, and an easy-to-read black and white control device. 5. Gocycle G4i. One of the most practical subsectors in the market, folding electric bikes make it easier for commuters to travel to work or school without taking up as much room as a conventionally sized bicycle. When it comes to high-end electric folding bikes, Gocycle has always been at the top of the list. But the Gocycle G4i is now pushing the brand even farther with a slew of opulent new features. Don't expect to buy this one with the cash you saved from summertime lawn mowing. You must, however, like the stunning carbon craftsmanship on this bike in the first place. The Gocycle G4i is an attractive alternative if you're searching for a different method to get to work and have money to burn. 4. Rad Power RAdrover 6+. The newest version of the iconic fat tire electric bike from Rad Power Bikes, designed for rough roads and city streets, is the RAdrover 6+ e-bike. The previous edition of this brand new Class 2 e-bike has undergone a comprehensive overhaul to improve usability and stopping power, maintaining the RAdrover name in front of the competition regarding reasonably priced e-bikes. Rad Power Bikes, an established leader in the e-bike market, has updated the previous RAdrover generation with a sizable overhaul as part of its ongoing innovation. As a result, it has become more challenging for e-bike manufacturers to distinguish amid the current bike mania caused by the epidemic. However, Rad Power Bikes have profited from that wave by riding it. 3. Specialized Turbo Vado 4.0. The Specialized Turbo Vado 4.0 2022 is a versatile e-bike that can be used in almost any cycling situation. It is wonderfully designed, well-made, and rides like a dream, despite not being the most slimline electric two-wheeler on the market. There are respectable levels of technology, particularly from the bike's significantly enhanced computer, and the power delivery is also extremely impressive. You may combine that with the efficient SRAM 11-speed derailleur gearing configuration to create a winning combination. Unfortunately, the price of specialized bikes tends to be high, and the Turbo Vado 4.0 is no exception. However, the bike's overall construction and riding quality are continuous reminders of when it's preferable to pay a little more. 2. Cannondale Treadwell Neo 2 EQ. It's airy, cozy, and fun. It's simple to get on and off, and riding it is more straightforward. Treadwell Neo's compact, robust propulsion system keeps the effort low and the enjoyment level high. With the help of the high-drive electric assist technology, you can do more. It's like riding a bike, except more straightforward thanks to the powerful 250-watt back hub engine and concealed 250 watt-hour battery. From the comfort of your handlebars, choose between settings. You may change the pedal assist modes and monitor your battery life with the switch, conveniently located within easy reach of your hands. The Treadwell Neo 2 pedals well because of its light construction. Get moving whenever you want. Power. 1. Aventon Level. When it comes to accelerating and moving quickly, the Aventon Level excels. We have accustomed to Class 3 bikes with specs that indicate a peak speed of 28 miles per hour and a throttle of 20 miles per hour. However, these bikes are uncommon to hang on to and sustain their velocity. The Level can easily maintain speeds beyond 25 miles per hour, and having an honest 20 mile per hour throttle is fantastic. Shimano Acera 8-speed transmission and a rapid-fire shifter are included with the Level. Thanks for watching the video. Comment down below which part you like the most, or click on the thumbs up button if you like the video.